What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, back for another Cloverhealth update, and we are down 39 cents so far today, just getting into power hour here, and it looks like we are starting to develop a little bit of a cup and handle right here. We'll see how this plays out. We did get rejected pretty hard today. Big buy up at the open here, got all the way up to 872, and then boom, crashed down. Tried to buy up a little more to 842, boom, crash down, consolidate, crash down, try to buy up, and it looks like we're getting a little bit of a late rally here. RSI looking great, almost into the overbought category though, so we'll keep an eye on that at 65.41. And MACDs are looking pretty fucking solid so far for being down 37.5 cents. Let's take a quick peek over here at the short interest. Is 32.01% of the float. That is super fucking high. And going down here to the short squeeze score, continues to drop down to 63.6. We were the third or second, or at one point I think we were the number one short squeeze score, but we're coming down a little bit, and I think a lot of that is due to the dark pool shorting that's going on right now. We're going to get to data on that in a little bit. Short shares availability up to 4.4 million shares available to short as of 27 minutes ago. So continuing to increase from yesterday. I think we were at 3 point something million at the close of the day. And short borrow fee rate continues to decline, down from 8.1, 8.6 yesterday, down to 5%. And so we do have a little bit of news to get to from today. Cloverhealth announced that Joe Wagner, CFO, will leave the company on August 13th. Lee Shapiro, COVID Audit Committee Chair, will lead the search for the next CFO. And Mark Herbers of Alex Partners, LLP, will act as interim CFO while search is conducted. And this is basically just saying everything in those bullet points, so we're not going to fucking deal with that. And let's get to the dark pool data. $1.4 billion in dark pool shorting going on today. Fucking rocket might squeeze to Uranus. Oh my goodness. Dark pool is pretty fucking sketchy right about now. They're down 1.4. Ouchie. They're gonna have to start covering one of these years, one of these days, guys. And then I wanted to get to one more thing on the Ftd'S. All right. Yes. New FTD data released by the SEC today. Big jump in failures to deliver on 6/18 and then again on 6/25 and 6/28. For anyone tracking the T+35 data, they released new info today. We see big jumps in FTDs on 6/18, 6/25, 6/28. That translates to 7/23, 7/30, and 8/2 if you count 35 days after. Buy, hodl, win. Let's check out these FTDs here. And so he correctly states that FTDs are cumulative, not daily. So this is going to be ouchie. Yeah, exactly. This is SEC. Nothing to see here, boys. Nothing to see here. Mother of God. So that is pretty much going to do it for this one, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick update on Cloverhealth and the latest news that we got here and some info on the FTDs. So as always, guys, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Clove as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.